everybody, this is Scott Duthie from Pomerol Partners. Today I'm going to walk through our portfolio of accelerator assets for Qlik and Salesforce projects. So it's a 5-step workflow that we've got, and these accelerator assets more or less work straight out of the box with a little configuration for your use case and your environment. So the first piece is a data extractor. The second piece is an associative data model for Qlik. We've got a series of dashboards that sit on top of that data model. And then the new pieces we're introducing today are our writeback extension, which we're using to capture edits to our Salesforce opportunities directly in our Qlik dashboards. And then we've got an app automation workflow that will write that data directly back into our live Salesforce tenant. So let's jump in and see how it all works. So the first piece is our data extractor. I'm jumping into the load script here. We've got a list of tables that we're pulling out of Salesforce. In this pre-built process, we also have an incremental load process. We can use this for larger transactional tables like our opportunity table or our opportunity history table. We're also capturing a range of metadata around this process. So then we surface this in a dashboard like so, and you can use this to monitor that data extraction process, whether it's running hourly, daily, every 15 minutes. So the second step in our workflow is an associative data model. We have all the pieces in here you need to analyze your Salesforce pipeline. The third step are our pre-built dashboards. So the first dashboard here is just analyzing our opportunity pipeline. We also have a second dashboard which is analyzing campaign performance from Salesforce. Now, what we want to do today is we want to make some edits to this edge installation opportunity that we have in our pipeline. So I'm going to filter down to this opportunity, but before we make edits within Qlik, I'm going to jump across to our live Salesforce tenant. And we can see here this opportunity. It has an amount of 300K. We've got a probability of 70%. It's currently in the proposal quote stage. And we're going to make some updates to this from directly within our Qlik dashboard. So if I open up our writeback extension editing window, the first thing I want to do here is I want to change this to the negotiation review stage. Now, we're also going to push the close date of this out till the end of September. I want to update the next step in this opportunity. So we're expecting a decision by the 25th of September, and that's why we're pushing our close date out till the end of September. And then the last thing we want to do here is we want to change our opportunity amount to 330K, and we're also going to change the probability up to 80% now that we're in the negotiation review stage. So I'm going to click save here. Now, what's happening in the background is Qlik and our writeback extension, they're storing those edits back to a CSV file that lives in the Qlik Cloud tenant. So within this space here, I've got a CSV file that stores those edits, and we can see that at the top here, and that just updated a few seconds ago. And then a partial reload of our Qlik application has been automatically triggered. And when that partial reload runs, it's actually going to run this application automation workflow. It's going to take those edits from the CSV and use the update opportunity block to write that data back into Salesforce. So we can see that this automation has just run successfully. If we go back to our dashboard, we can see our updated values have been loaded back into the Qlik associative model. And then if we jump across to Salesforce and refresh our browser session, we'll also see that those updates have made it back into our live Salesforce tenant. Okay, so here are our updated values. Okay, so what we've just walked through there is our full 5-step workflow from the data extraction through modeling, presenting our data in dashboards, using the writeback to capture edits, and then using Qlik's application automation module to push that data back into Salesforce. We have all of these assets available as accelerators to help get your projects moving fast. If you'd like some more information, reach out to Scott at pomerolpartners.com.